All right. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. All right. Welcome back. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. So, if you guys can think back to the lesson that we talked about last week about describing key details in a story. And so today we're going to complete an activity where you guys will watch a interactive story, and then you're going to complete a CSE chart on the story you guys have read. So, Miss Shields is going to show you guys the story that I am referencing to. I'm so sorry, you guys. Going to the wrong page. So you guys are going to read a story called The Wishing Tree. One second, you guys. Sometimes Adobe doesn't do as it's supposed to at times.
The Wishing Tree by Rachel Dawson. It was a warm, quiet, sunny day in the wood until, from up in a tree, came a terrible fluttering. Who's making all the noise? Click on the tree to see.
Alright, so as you guys can see, this story is very interactive. It has different graphics, different sound effects, and it is tailored to where you guys can choose when to go back and when to proceed, but you can only proceed when it's directing you to. So as you guys can see, it says, who's making all the noise? Click on the tree to see. And of course you guys would choose this tree here. So Miss Shields is not going to go any further because I don't want to ruin the surprise of the story. But you guys will go through the story. You can go back as many times as you need to. You guys need to take your time, make sure that you're paying attention, and you're reading along with the caption here in this text box as the reader is reading to you. After you guys are finished reading the story, you guys will complete the CSE chart here. You guys will fill it in. Make sure first that you write your name, first and last name, please. And then you guys will begin filling in. So as you see here, it says that draw a picture I'm sorry, I'm trying to read it backwards. Draw a picture of a character from the story. So if our character was a turtle, you guys would draw a picture of the turtle. So this is where you're describing what you see in the story. On this side, it says draw a picture of the setting where the story takes place. Remember, the setting of the story usually takes place at the beginning of the story. So you guys need to make sure that you pay attention and identify the setting. You'll draw a picture that represents the setting of the story. Please do not leave out any details. So this is why you guys are able to go back.
From up in a tree came a terrible clattering. Who's making all the noise? Click on the tree to see.
You guys are able to go back as many times as you need. So, this back button here, this is the button that you will click on to go back to any part of the story. So if you were 2 pages ahead, you have to go back 2 pages back just to get back to that same spot that you're trying to get to. And then right here, you guys are going to come up with 2 words to describe the character. Using 2 words to describe the character. So if my turtle was a friendly person and he's very slow, I will put the word friendly and slow. Those are 2 words to describe my character. Down here, you're going to tell what happened in the story. Draw a picture of a major event from the story. So you're going to describe something that happened in the story. On this side, you guys are going to write a sentence about that event that you drew. Write a sentence about the event using this sentence starter. This is the sentence starter. The sentence starter is in this picture. Da 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 da. So, for instance, in this picture, Mr. Turtle ran. I'm sorry, because a turtle can't run. In this picture, Mr. Turtle came across a big red wagon. That's an example. But based on this story, your sentence is going to be different from Ms. Shields. So, once again, you guys are going to read the interactive story, and then you're going to complete your CSE chart. Ms. Shields will be walking around to assist you guys as needed. If you have a question, please raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. Make sure you guys plug in your headphones because we are doing this assignment independently. So, with that being said, you guys are going to go 5 at a time to get your devices out of the cart. You're going to log in on the computer. Ms. Shields is going to display the URL that you're going to use. I also have it posted in Google Classroom. So if you would like to just copy and paste that URL in Google Classroom, you can. Otherwise, you will need to type it in word, letter for word, letter for letter. I'm sorry, you guys. So at this time, please proceed. Table 1, go ahead and get your devices. Thank you, Dr. Sorhan, for listening and watching this video.